Hello guys, we will install a drip irrigation system. It's time now to save water and save time in watering the plants. And here are the things and tools, parts that we will going to use in installing our drip system. Yeah, now it's time to do the hard work. Okay, in here I will just show you where we will lay out that black poly pipe just behind that concrete, and you will not notice after installing it, you will not notice that we lay out the pipe just behind that concrete. Yeah, and in here actually Eric is helping me clearing that soft topsoil. It's very soft because there are so much organic, uh, like compost. I think that's enough. That's okay. Kasi meron lang siya parang kanal. Next step is to secure the irrigation pipe using the downstake holder. Yeah. Okay na. So that's okay. Oo. Like this one, not all needed a stake or holder. So we're gonna ano yung plants siguro. So what's next? We can measure it. Yeah, we can measure it, and then we can put elbow. Okay. Okay.
Okay ha?
Huwag dyan, masadong man yan. Diyan.
Okay.
Sige. Huwag masyadong malapit dito. Move farther away siguro. Yan. Sige pa. Okay. In here, actually, Eric is assembling the drip line that we will connect to the main poly pipe. That's the hot water dip that Eric is doing for easier assembling.
Yan. Tapos,
Dito, malapit dyan, dyan. Pwede dyan. Okay na yan. That's how easy. So that will be a dripper.
tapos, teka, alamin ko yung, tapos ganyan. Ganyan. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Lambot naman yung lupa. This is the actual drip during the test. That one is actually 4 liter per hour. That's the flow rate.